Alright, today in the wood shop we're going to be doing a loft bed build. We've got a client on the island that has a son that is turning 18 and he's fixing to leave for college. She needs a bed that he can use for the rest of the school year here on the island, and it has to be able to be taken completely apart and put back together at school, and obviously be moved multiple times over his college career. So we got to do some special joinery to put that together. We're going to use a castle joint and a couple other things to make sure that we can have a sturdy build that he's going to be able to take with him along the way. Check it out. Saying this is the safest way to cut this joint. I'm just saying this is the way we did it using the tools that we have available to us. So with that being said, I'm going to tell you, do not try this at home or in your shop. All right, here we go. So I made the other half lap out of the milled 2x4, and it broke. Alright, so we didn't get it on camera, but when I was trying to connect the castle joints into the 4x4, I broke another one. That's the second one I've broke since we've been doing this. So I am beginning to think that these 2x4s are not going to be strong enough to make the castle joints strong enough to be able to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go back to another 4x4. I am going to mill it down like I've done the rest, and I'm going to leave a larger end on it on both sides so it sticks out, and I'm going to use a 4x4 frame along the top and a 4x4 frame for all the legs of the build, because I don't think, of course it didn't break, but I've already broke 2 of them. That scares me because I don't want it to break on the customer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, I'm going to use 4x4s, and I'm going to do the entire frame out of 4x4s and set those in, which I think is going to make an extremely stronger joint. So, yeah, got to start over.